Make a little skunk. Materials: straight pins, felt sheets in black, white, yellow, and pink, plus one stiffer white sheet, needle and embroidery thread, scissors, and a 12-inch dowel. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Use the pattern sheet to cut out the felt pieces. It will be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Start to sew. Use small close stitches around the edges of the pieces you are sewing down. Use straight pins to secure the larger pieces in place before sewing them down. You can use black or white thread for all of the sewing. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun to attach the pieces. First, sew the white stripe to the black skunk body. Second, sew on the eye and nose. For the eye, sew down the white outer piece first, then sew the pupil on top. Third, sew on the ear. Sew the pink inner piece to the outer ear first. Then, position the completed ear as shown and sew down. The top tip will be loose. 4. Sew on the flowers. Position the petal pieces on the skunk body. Do not sew. Place the round center shapes on top of the petals and sew down. Match the colors as shown. The outer petals will stay loose. 5. Sew the black sleeve to the back of the white background piece in the position shown. This will be the dowel sleeve. Leave the bottom of the sleeve loose for the dowel to slide in. Sew around the sides and top, but leave the bottom loose. 6. Center the finished skunk on the front of the white background and pin in place. Then sew down. Insert the dowel and you're done!